Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I want to talk about tobacco. Ultra Group, stock ticker MO, formerly known as Philip Morris, maker of tobacco products and chewing tobacco. And yes, they're dealing with e-cigarettes as well. Tobacco has been doing well this week, yet Philip Morris, or Ultra, or MO, has been downgraded, causing a major hit to its stock price. The new target is around $50, currently trading at 48. Will it get there? Let's see if we can make some money. Let's get started, but before we do, I want to tell you that the Stock Planner channel is an education channel. Never take advice from anybody on the internet. Do your own due diligence. Learn how to do your own analysis and pick your own trades and your own stocks, and you'll win. Takes some time, takes a lot of work, but in the long run, you're doing it. And it's your strategy, your system. Now let's get started. I'm just going to show you how I'm doing it and how I don't look at for a perfect system for my winning edge. Taking a look at Simply Wall Street, looking at the top gainers. I don't recognize anything on there. Top industries. Today the market is down. Look at all that ugliness. Inflation's up today. It was announced. It caused this, but it was this yesterday as well. So I'm searching for a little happiness. It looks like tobacco. Looks like it might be a little happiness. It says the tobacco industry is up by 2%. This is a stock that's trading around $2. It's too small. Never heard of that. I've heard of that. But this is the one I know. Recently downgraded. I'm not finding happiness there. Let's take a look at it though. This is the one I know. Manufactures and sells smokable and oral tobacco products. Copenhagen, just chewing skull. I guess a lot of people are still using it. I don't. According to Simply Wall Street, it's undervalued and earnings are expected to grow by 9 or 10%. It was recently downgraded and we see a big dive. Price target to $50, currently at 48. Down a little bit today from its open, but it's moving on up. Now, is this stock bottomed out and due for a pop? Here was the bad news. Is it over? Remember, any reaction by the stock market is usually an overreaction. Has it overreacted? Or is it coming back further down? I think over the next 4 or 5 months, it's going to go to 50, 51, 52. What do you think? Let's see if we can find something in that neighborhood. Using a free tool called Option AI, which calculates expected move of a stock over the next few months, and they're saying it's expected to move 5% in the next month and 7.1% in the next 3 months, 3 months out. The only problem is with expected move, you don't know which way it's going to move. And this is based on some option pricing data and some other factors. So using that 7%, the expected value of 7%, and we don't know which way it's going to go. It's going to either go to 51 or 52. Let's say it's right there. We're rounding it out. Or 45. Down in here somewhere. So is it going to go further down? It could. Or come up to there. And if you invested $1,000 for 3 months at that expected value, you're going to get $71 profit, which is an APR of about 29%. Not bad. But let's see if we can do better. Just remember that 52. Going out to December, and I realize that's more than 3 months, but you could do this, that's at the end of September. Just give myself a little more time. Let's just see if we still meet the requirements. Using a broken wing butterfly, which is requiring you to sell 2 puts and buy 2 puts. You can read about more of that. There's plenty of videos out there. And basically, this is a long strategy. And here's the $52. If it gets up to there at any time, I can collect this amount. And just say I want to get out early in September at around $200. The $200 on a max loss, that's 60 or 70%. That's pretty darn good. And it has to stay above 48.55. It is at 48.17. So it has to move a little bit up. But if it gets to 52, I can get out early. Let's look at the numbers a little closer. As long as it stays above 48, at expiration, I can get this amount. Or I can take a little less, a little earlier. 52 is the magic number. I can take around 190, I think it was, or 200, or I can wait and get 400 or 350 earlier or later. plugging the numbers in from Option Strat. Again, remember, we got $645 right in our pocket, and our max loss is $355, and the max profit, if it stays around 52 or so, that's when we're going to get 52, 53, 54. If it goes up a little bit, that's where we're going to get our max profit. And remember, that's the profit curve looks something like this. And we're using the broken wing butterfly, but if we shoot for 25%, we would try to shoot for $286. And I said if it reaches the $52 range early, we'll get around 190 to 200. And if it gets to 286, if we get our 25%, that's what we always shoot for. We're going to get 80% or somewhat less if we get our $200 in the 60 or 65 range. Not doing the calculations, but ballpark's good enough. You don't have to be that accurate. Just going to see if you're within the realm of being profitable. I can't remember the exact numbers anyway. Ballpark. Don't analysis paralysis. Don't do it. Keep your wits. If you're so precise, you're not going to be able to tell a funny joke. Anyway, asking that question again, is it going to go here and fill the gap after that bad news, or is it going to continue going down? Ultra is not doing good when Simply Wall Street has said the tobacco industry has improved the last 5 days. So I think that's going to put some headwind and maybe turn Ultra around. Maybe it won't. Who knows? That's my guess. That's my theory. I'm thinking that Ultra has stabilized, that people will still smoke and chew tobacco during recession and depression and inflation, and Ultra will have a slow grind up. Therefore, a broken wing butterfly is very good for this. What do you think? Please leave your comments below. Like and subscribe to this video. Engage, do your own due diligence, and win.